Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Dentist's Sister Always Want to Tease Me. Chapter 22, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Ransing and Kaian. Phew, the event is finally coming to an end. Kyan said to Ransing. It seems that there's a lot of patients and also they seems to be tired. With the first day of the event in the hospital, everything seems to be busy, especially for the two of them. Ransing said to her, Are you tired? It's look like the two of them are already tired. Maybe there's a lot of patients already coming in. And since it was getting late, finally the two of them can go back home. But Kyan said to her, with senior sister, Why, are you tired? Kyan is asking Ransing. Well, these two, they're always thinking about each other, especially the feelings. Now, it really makes sense. They're really getting closer every day. With Kyan, sometimes she is getting tricky and said, Senior, she wanted to divert her attention and said, Well, I'm going to sort out the files. Kyan said to Ransing. Now, Ransing, she was sighing and said, Well, her face, it's just really blushing. Probably she got really shy when the two of them are getting closer. Now, Ransing, what is she going to do? She looks really tired. After work, she was waiting outside. Probably it was a fart, and she was thinking something. Look at her, she was holding her phone and only staring at it. Maybe there's some important things that wanted to think of. As a moment, she was really looked tired. When she was reading her phone, it turns out that her mother sent her a message. Ransing, you are not a child anymore. Go home and apologize to your father. Then, come to work in the company. Being a dentist only makes you a few bucks. Don't be silly, her mother said to her. Now, Ransing, she was really thinking hard, and said to herself, Is my persistence really right? Now, she seems to be bothered by this. Of course, what is she going to do? Does she want to go back to her family to continue the family business or she will pursue her dream to be able to have a dentist clinic who is managing by herself? Well, let's see. It seems that tonight it was really bothersome. So, to surprise her, it was Kyan who's holding a drink. She was calling her senior. Ransing, she seems to be surprised why Kyan was suddenly in this. Well, she doesn't know that she's not going back home yet. Probably she is also bothered that something wrong with Ransing. Dr. C's special, refreshing mouthwash. Kyan said to Ransing. Oh, she's trying to calm her down by trying to coax her. Also, Kyan, she was really sweet girl. After seeing her, Ransing said to her, Thank you, and she accepted the drink that Kyan was going to give on her. Well, it seems that she already calmed down. Looking at the two of them, after drinking, now they're going back home. This past night, they're always coming back home together. Well, the relationship is already building up. And now, every day, they really know each other. And this is really the good foundation for the good relationship. Senior sister, you know what? When you are under pressure, you just need to eat some desserts. Oh, by trying to coax her, she wanted her to eat some desserts. Well, Kyan, she must really tricky, right? Because stress is desserts when turned upside down. Well, oh my god, this is too right. I just only also realized this right now. Kyan, she is really smart. Now, Ransing, she seems to be stunned. Well, even though she thought to herself that the fika lime is so cheesy, but she was really right on this. It seems that the stress is also a dessert, and you can use it on different situations. Well, Kyan, she was really smart. No matter whether the cat is black or white, as long as it catches the mouse, it is a good cat. Senior sister, just tell me, whether you laugh or not. Kyan, she continued to tease her. Probably, she wanted her to calm down. Now, since after seeing Kyan that she is smiling, Francine finally, she said thank you to her. It turns out this girl, she can be a stress reliever for Ransing. When Ransing together with Kyan, well, definitely she will always be happy. Kyan said, Senior sister, if you have any troubles, can you tell me about it? Now, she seems to be concerned for her. That's why she wanted to ask her so much. Probably, she wanted to know what is something bothering on Ransing. Francine said to her, nothing, just a little bit confused. Well, she must be thinking about what her mother said to her, about her family, and also, well, Francine said, my family asked me to quit my job and go to the family work. Now, after hearing this, Kyan, she seems to be surprised. Well, of course, the two of them will not meet anymore. That's why she is really puzzled. Right now, Ransing said, I will not quit easily. After all, it's my own career, just a little bit confused about the future. Oh, that was good then. At least, Kyan, she can be already calmed down and take it easy. Well, Ransing said to her, when I was in abroad, some people said that and wanted to open a dentist clinic together. I'm the only one left. Do you think I'm going to continue? Well, since it was her dream, probably she need to pursue her dream. I wanted to continue it. Well, you must have to continue. The way the things that you wanted before, pursuing them, it was really good for her. She really wanted her to continue on what she likes to do. Kayan said to her, Senior sister, can I be attending physicians of your clinic? Well, she looks really serious. Ransing, she was staring at Kayan. Probably she knows that this person is always wanted to calm her down. That's why she said so many things. Now, Ransing, after hearing Kayan said, now she seems to be so happy and said to her, thank you. Well, this is the things that she's been waiting, that Kayan is always supporting her. Kayan said, how can you thank me, sister? Oh, this girl, she's really getting tricky. Right now, she really wanted this Ransing. Ransing, she seems to be blushing. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.